Representative Fukumoto and then Fale.
In opposition, Mr. Speaker, I request to insert written comments.
Thank you very much, Representative. Representative Fale.
Mr. Speaker, I've had some long discussions with members of Planned Parenthood regarding this bill, and I rise in opposition, Mr. Speaker.
Please proceed.
I'm familiar with a number of different cultures across the world, as well as the history of my own ancestry when they came to the United States in the early 1600s to escape religious persecution from their homeland. And it's a founding principle and a driving reason of why I felt not only the need but the duty to become a member of the United States Armed Services, to fight for, and if necessary, lay my own life down for the right of others to live according to their dictates of their own conscience. I'm not Catholic. I don't hold the same beliefs as other members of my community regarding this. I would want this service available for my little sisters, my mother, my wife, if the case were to arise. I believe it's a good and valuable service to be made available to the public, but that's my own personal beliefs. And this benefit, this act of health care, I would never purchase. I would never purchase at the cost of having somebody else sacrifice or act against what their own conscience tells them what is right or wrong. And even if I were to severely disagree with their position in regards to that issue, like they say, I may disagree with what you have to say or what you do, but I will defend to the death your right to do it. I don't agree with the position that for the reasons that the Catholic Church is in opposition to this. But for that same reason, I would defend to the death their right to act in according to the dictates of their own conscience. As the same for anybody here. I would never ask, and I would never purchase any benefit or any service for me, my family, or anybody else at the cost of having somebody else sacrifice a fundamental core belief of what their conscience tells them to do. It is a founding principle of why I am as proud as I am to be an American, is because I believe that's what America stands for, is that never in this country will you ever be forced to do anything against your conscience, because that is the freedom we believe in. Thank you, Mr.